Woodworking is a rewarding craft that allows you to create beautiful and functional pieces. From simple picture frames to intricate furniture, the ability to join wood at an angle opens up a world of possibilities. Angled joints are essential for adding strength, stability, and visual appeal to your projects. Whether you're building a picture frame, a set of shelves, or a custom cabinet, understanding how to create solid and attractive angled joints is crucial. These joints are not only structurally important, but also add a touch of craftsmanship and detail that elevates the overall look of your work. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the art of mastering angled wood joints. We'll explore various types of joints, provide step-by-step instructions for cutting precise angles, and share expert tips to help you achieve professional results. So grab your tools and let's embark on this woodworking journey together. The miter joint is one of the most common and versatile angled joints in woodworking. This joint is a staple in the craft, known for its simplicity and effectiveness. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, mastering the miter joint can significantly enhance your woodworking projects. It is created by cutting two pieces of wood at an angle, typically 45 degrees, which allows the pieces to fit together seamlessly. This precise angle is crucial for achieving a perfect fit, and it requires careful measurement and cutting. When the two angled pieces are joined, they form a corner that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The miter joint is particularly valued for its ability to create clean, sharp corners that enhance the overall look of the project. Miter joints are widely used in picture frames, door and window casings, and decorative trim work. These applications benefit from the joint's ability to create a polished, professional appearance. In picture frames, for instance, the miter joint allows for a seamless transition between the sides, making the frame look like a single, continuous piece of wood. One of the advantages of miter joints is their clean and elegant appearance. This makes them a popular choice for projects where aesthetics are a priority. The joint's ability to hide end grain and create a smooth, continuous line is unmatched. When cut accurately, they create a seamless corner that enhances the visual appeal of your project. Precision is key here. Even a slight misalignment can disrupt the joint's appearance and functionality. Therefore, taking the time to measure and cut carefully is essential. However, miter joints can be less strong than other types of angled joints, especially when subjected to stress or weight. This is because the joint relies heavily on the adhesive and the precision of the cut. If not reinforced properly, the joint can weaken over time. To create a strong miter joint, it's important to use a sharp saw blade and make precise cuts. A dull blade can cause the wood to splinter or result in an uneven cut, compromising the joint's integrity. Ensuring your tools are in top condition is a crucial step in the process. A miter saw, a specialized tool designed for cutting angles, is highly recommended for this task. This tool allows for precise, repeatable cuts, making it easier to achieve the perfect angle every time. Investing in a quality miter saw can make a significant difference in the outcome of your projects. Additionally, using a strong adhesive, such as wood glue, and reinforcing the joint with nails or screws can significantly increase its strength and durability. These additional steps ensure that the joint can withstand stress and maintain its integrity over time, making your projects not only beautiful, but also long-lasting. Unlike the miter joint, where both pieces are cut at an angle, the bevel joint involves cutting only one piece of wood at an angle while the other piece remains straight. This fundamental difference in the cutting process results in a joint that is not only easier to align, but also offers a unique combination of strength and aesthetic versatility. The bevel joint's design allows for a more straightforward assembly process, which can be particularly beneficial for both novice and experienced woodworkers. This creates a sloping surface that provides excellent strength and stability, making bevel joints suitable for structural applications. The sloping surface of the bevel joint distributes stress more evenly across the joint, reducing the likelihood of splitting or breaking under pressure. This characteristic makes bevel joints an ideal choice for projects that require a high degree of durability and resilience. Bevel joints are commonly used in furniture making, particularly for chair legs, table legs, and frame components. Their ability to provide both strength and an attractive finish makes them a popular choice among furniture makers. The clean lines and seamless appearance of bevel joints can enhance the overall aesthetic of a piece, adding a touch of craftsmanship and sophistication. The angle of the bevel cut can vary depending on the desired strength and aesthetic appeal. Adjusting the angle allows woodworkers to customize the joint to meet specific requirements, whether they are aiming for maximum strength or a particular visual effect. This flexibility is one of the reasons bevel joints are so widely used in various woodworking projects. A steeper angle will result in a stronger joint, as the increased surface area provides more contact between the two pieces of wood. This additional contact area enhances the joint's ability to withstand stress and load, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. While a shallower angle may be preferred for its visual appeal, shallow bevel joints can create a more delicate and refined look, which can be desirable in certain types of furniture and decorative pieces. The choice of angle ultimately depends on the specific needs and goals of the project. When cutting bevel joints, it is essential to use a reliable method for marking and cutting the angle accurately. Precision is key to ensuring that the joint fits together perfectly and maintains its strength and stability over time. Inaccurate cuts can lead to gaps and misalignments, which can weaken the joint and compromise the overall integrity of the piece. A bevel gauge or a sliding T-bevel can be used to transfer the desired angle from your plans to the wood. These tools are invaluable for achieving the precise angles needed for a strong and visually appealing bevel joint. By carefully measuring and marking the wood, you can ensure that each cut is accurate and consistent. For cutting, a table saw with the blade tilted to the desired bevel angle is an excellent choice. The table saw provides the stability and control needed to make clean, precise cuts, which are essential for creating a strong bevel joint. Additionally, using a table saw can save time and effort compared to cutting the angles by hand. As with any joint, ensuring a snug fit and using appropriate adhesives and fasteners will enhance the strength and longevity of your bevel joints. Properly fitting joints minimize gaps and ensure that the adhesive can bond effectively, while the use of fasteners adds additional security. By taking the time to carefully assemble and secure your bevel joints, you can create durable and long-lasting pieces that stand the test of time. Dovetail joints are renowned for their strength, interlocking design, and timeless elegance. These joints have been used for centuries, dating back to ancient Egyptian times, and they continue to be a hallmark of fine woodworking today. The dovetail joint's unique design not only provides exceptional mechanical strength, but also adds an aesthetic appeal that is hard to match. The intricate interlocking pattern of the pins and tails creates a visual rhythm that is both functional and beautiful. They are created by cutting a series of trapezoidal pins on one piece of wood and corresponding tails on the other piece. This process requires a high degree of accuracy and skill, as the pins and tails must fit together perfectly to form a strong joint. The woodworker must carefully measure and mark the wood before making any cuts, ensuring that each pin and tail is precisely shaped. This meticulous process is what gives dovetail joints their renowned strength and durability. When assembled, the pins and tails interlock, forming a joint that is incredibly strong and resistant to pulling apart. This interlocking mechanism is what makes dovetail joints so effective in withstanding the stresses and strains that furniture and other wooden structures are subjected to over time. The joint's design distributes the load evenly across the entire joint, reducing the risk of splitting or breaking. This makes dovetail joints ideal for use in high-stress areas, such as drawers and boxes. Dovetail joints are commonly used in high-quality furniture making, drawer construction, and box making. Their strength and durability make them perfect for these applications, where the joints must withstand frequent use and heavy loads. In addition to their practical benefits, dovetail joints also add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any piece of furniture. The visible interlocking pattern of the pins and tails is a testament to the woodworker's skill and craftsmanship, making each piece unique and special. While dovetail joints require more skill and precision to create than miter or bevel joints, the results are well worth the effort. The process of cutting and fitting the pins and tails can be time-consuming and challenging, but the finished joint is incredibly strong and durable. The satisfaction of creating a perfect dovetail joint is unmatched, and the joint's beauty and strength make it a favorite among woodworkers. The effort and skill required to create dovetail joints are a testament to the woodworker's dedication to their craft. They are a testament to craftsmanship and add a touch of sophistication to any woodworking project. The intricate design and precise fit of the pins and tails showcase the woodworker's skill and attention to detail. Dovetail joints are not only functional but also a work of art, adding a unique and elegant touch to any piece of furniture. Whether used in a simple box or an elaborate piece of furniture, dovetail joints elevate the quality and beauty of the finished product. There are two main types of dovetail joints: through dovetails and half-blind dovetails. Each type has its own unique characteristics and applications. Through dovetails are often used in areas where the joint will be visible from both sides, such as in the corners of boxes and drawers. Half-blind dovetails, on the other hand, are used in areas where one side of the joint will be hidden, such as in the front of a drawer. This allows for a clean and refined appearance while still providing the strength and durability of a dovetail joint. Through dovetails, as the name suggests, are visible from both sides of the joint, while half-blind dovetails conceal the tails on one side, creating a more refined look. This makes half-blind dovetails ideal for use in areas where a clean and polished appearance is desired, such as in the front of drawers or cabinets. The choice between through and half-blind dovetails depends on the specific requirements of the project and the desired aesthetic. Mastering the art of cutting dovetail joints requires practice and the use of specialized tools such as a dovetail saw, dovetail jig, and chisels. These tools allow the woodworker to make precise cuts and achieve the perfect fit of the pins and tails. The dovetail saw is used to make the initial cuts, while the dovetail jig helps guide the saw and ensure accuracy. Chisels are then used to clean up the cuts and refine the shape of the pins and tails. With practice and patience, any woodworker can master the art of creating beautiful and strong dovetail joints.